Welcome friends, my name is Yuri and today I will show you weekly market overview. I will show you best instruments which you can trade. Also, we will take a look on major currency pairs, gold, oil and Bitcoin. That's why push like, write a comment about this video on YouTube. Friends, let's start. For a start, I think we should take a look on news on economical calendar because it is so important sometimes to pay more attention to news, especially when there's a lot of noise about Brexit. And I recommend to you use invested.com. And today, Monday, as you see, Monday, February, what we have here, nothing important. Tuesday, there will be a powerful move on British pound. I respect only such news like gross domestic product. As you see, Friday we have Tuesday and Friday only a lot of news, but it's nothing special. Okay, let's go to our major instruments, and at this moment I'll show you where you can trade it and where you can open really accurate entries, and also I'll show you some examples. But before, friends, a few words about our VIP community. And today I want to show you a few words about our VIP signals. Take a look here. Today I already sent 3 signals, and take a look. On Friday I sent British pound signal and desk scalp signal. Take a look here. It was at price was at this area, and British pound Australia price was at this area. Take a look. Take a look. After that you will understand why it's important to follow us. DAX Friday, price exactly bounced from powerful level. Take a look how price bounced from powerful level, and we sent that signal to our VIP members. And also about British pound Australian dollar, you can see it. British pound Australian dollar, take a look how price dropped from key area. I sent a signal to open sell at 97.32, and price hit that area, and after that drop down. How many pips price dropped down? 200 pips price drop down from entry points. That's the reason why you should join our VIP signal service. You will receive only accurate entries. There will be not like 100 entries per week, but there will be only accurate. About eurusd, let's start our analysis. I will do mostly recording, and when you will have some questions, just write below this video your questions, and all questions which you will write we will use to the next webinars. First, take a look. Price, this trend line, huge chance that eurusd will continue dropping. What you can do, you can sell in this sell area, set stop loss above Friday high. It's the best idea at this moment with this currency pair. Euro British pound, nothing clear. Okay, British pound already dropped down 150 pips today. Have a huge chance price will bounce from this area. There will be a scalp buy from this area, but it will be a scalp buy. Why? Because at this moment it's hard to say, because price in the middle of this range. It's hard to say about long-term trend. That's why best for you will be at this moment to open scalp buy here, and about something midterm. About midterm, it's hard to speak at this moment. British pound, Japanese yen in this range. Nothing interesting. Friends, if you have some instruments which you want to see on next time, just below this video you'll write a comment. For example, like on next week I would like to see some instrument, and you will get your idea. New Zealand versus USD, price close to this key level. I personally will open buy after false breakout. It is really awesome area, because this box, it was a place of accumulation of volume, and if price will make false breakout, there will be powerful uprise. Similar idea, similar situation on Australian. because price so close to previous low September 2019, with huge chance, if there will be false breakout, we will have accurate buy entry with low risk. That's why pay attention to it. I personally will open buy. About Canadian price, nearly this trend line, there could be some bounce from this trend line, bounce down. There could be something like this, but I personally don't trade trend lines. That's why it's really risky idea. You can open sell here. Swiss franc. On Swiss franc, for me, the most important place is September 2018 low. I think it's a powerful area. In 1-2 weeks, price will hit this level. If there will be false breakout, we will open accurate buy. That's all. At this moment, it's not good to open any entry because price in this range, and there could be like continue of this range, and slowly price can drop. Your risk, you need to understand your stop loss and your risk will be too big in this area. Japanese yen, nothing interesting. Gold, at this moment, about gold. Price bounced from this trend line. Still gold in this uptrend. It was really, take a look here. About gold, what can I say? Price still in uptrend. For me personally, where I personally will open accurate sell, it will be this area. It will be this sell. Powerful sell level if that will happen, because there are possibilities that price will not bounce from that area. About buy entry, yes, you can open buy entry nearly this key level because price in this uptrend. How you can do it? Price hits such trend line, you open buy at set stop loss below previous low. It's the best idea at this moment how you can trade it, because to be honest, I don't see other options, and there will be the most powerful sell entry only from this level. When price will do re-high, only there will be good sell entry. That's why wait for it. And also, friends, I think better to open WTI. At this moment, if you see, I also have here, I hold personally buy limit, and because price made false breakout of it is May, June, January, June, July. Price made false breakout of June 2019. A huge probability of pullback at least for 400-500 pips from such areas. Take a look how price reacted here on that level. That's why I set buy limit, and personally what I recommend to you, if the price will do some pullback into such area, into this box, you can open buy with stop loss below tail. It will be the best idea for you for a midterm. In this entry you can take 1 to 10 risk reward, it's a minimum. About Brent oil, the same. You can see Brent oil also made false breakout of previous low. I sent that signal already to my VIP members, and all of us will get that entry. I set that signal with stop loss, entry points, take profit points, and personally will open it on my account, as you see, my 366 account, and on other accounts, because price bounced from it, and I think with huge chance there could be a pullback into 60 area. It is nearly 500 pips. That means in that entry it's possible to take 1 to 10 risk reward. Okay, and friends, there are also some other instruments which I will trade so soon, but I show it only for my VIP members, such ideas. That's why what I recommend to you next time. Below this video on YouTube, you write what instrument is interesting for you, and next week I'll do that analysis and will answer on all your questions. That's why let's make a deal. You write a question about trading below this analysis, and you will get answer on next week. If there will be not live, because I will go to another city, and with few chances I will not have a chance like just do a webinar. For me, it will be far easier to record a video for you. Okay, let's open Bitcoin. And let's open Bitcoin because Bitcoin also in interesting place, and it will be awesome to you to get that idea. Few seconds, just wait. As you see, we need to wait few seconds. Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin. Friends, about Bitcoin and ideas on this instrument, I spoke about it so many times and I want to repeat to you. You need to see by yourself, by your own eyes, what's going on at this moment with this instrument. That will help you understand far better what we will be able to trade so soon. And also take a look at volume. Okay. At this moment, price still in this uptrend, and there is no reason that uptrend will finish because there is no such volume like here. Also, at this moment, price above this mirror level, and what can happen from this level? I think price will continue uprise with huge probability. Yes, there could be a chance like if price will break it down, will fix below, situation totally will change. But technically, I think price can continue uprise into this area, and here will be the best place to open sell entry. Why? Because it's a place where so many traders were trapped into this area. As you see, huge volume, and first reaction on such levels in 90% cases will be false breakout and pull back on 1,200, 1,500 USD. That's why first, nearly this level you can open buy, you can open such buy with stop loss at 9,000. It will be good stop loss for this instrument. And second, what you can do, you can take profit below this key level and just hold a position. If price will hit this area, there will be accurate sell entry for all of you. Friends, if you want to receive accurate signals from me with entry points, stop losses, take profits, with all stuff what I do on my personal account, what I recommend to do right now. Below this video, you will find a link on my you will find contacts of my assistant, and right now you should write about cooperation, because those who will take 1 year and 3 month package will get the best services and will get the best discount. It will be Valerie, my assistant. You will get this Telegram link and phone number for WhatsApp. That's why right now, if you want to receive such signals like on brand which we sent, or example for you, another example for you, our DAX signal. I want to show you our DAX signal. Take a look here. You will find our DAX signal, and after that you will understand why it's important to be with us. Take a look here. Price bounced from powerful level, sell limit. I set this idea for all members. Here also a reason why we open a position. And after that, all updates. I personally made more than 7,000 on that entry, and also you can be with us. Friends, thank you for your time. Don't forget to write the questions, and see you on next week. Bye.